Talesong 21. Of love and hunger, I wander streets, heart empty. Eyes wide, craving love, craving food, nothing to hide. Girls pass me by, smiles I can't hold. Life feels cold, yet I'm young, not old. I meet a beauty, sparks in her gaze, talks over wine. Lost in a haze, but hunger bites, and dreams slip fast. Love and desire, nothing seems to last. I chase connection, yet fail at home. Friendships shallow, I roam alone. Passions flare, yet leave me hollow. I laugh, I stumble, still follow. Life's quick, fleeting, and hard to tame. Love's a fire, hunger's a flame. I keep moving, through nights and days, searching for meaning in life's maze. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.